Hi everyone, I'm Maddie. You're watching The Whole Story, and today we are going to do a hotel review of Jefferson 106. This hotel is located in downtown Huntsville, Alabama. Personally, this is special for us because this is our hometown. So come along and we'll show you a quick room tour, and then later tonight we'll explore the rest of the hotel. So absolutely massive bathroom. A fun fact about me is I love a hotel shower, so I always judge the hotels based on what their shower looks like. This is a deluxe queen room. We have a coffee station here, steamer, ice, tons of storage, mini fridge, mid-range. You're not gonna fall through. I don't like being in a hole. I need a good back support. So, Harper approved. Yeah, a lot of it's your normal stuff. So like a lot of people have gotten to where they do the Q-tips and stuff, and the makeup wipes are pretty standard. I've never had anybody give me a sewing kit. Could have used this several times in my life. She's going to my bag after this. She's coming home with me. Toothpaste, mouthwash, also new. I mean, if you put a toothbrush in here, you didn't really even need to bring your own toiletry kit. You can pretty much got to make it through the night. Overall, first thoughts, this is a very, very nice room. It's an average hotel room, but the decor is really cute. It's like a Art Deco themed. Don't mind the towel on the head. I just took a hotel shower, which was one of my favorite things to do at a hotel. I'd give this one like a 7 out of 10 maybe. Water gets hot, pressure's fine, amenities are good, but I don't know, I guess I just wasn't feeling the vibes in this one. I don't know. Anywho, we were looking around the room a little bit, and we found that not only is it like Art Deco, but it's kind of like space theme. So Art Deco space, is that a thing? I don't know, but check this out. So like all the little positions, I guess, flight positions. And then also, the do not disturb signs is on a mission. For those of you who don't know, Huntsville is known as the Rocket City because we were integral in space exploration back in the 60s. We helped put the men on the moon. So everything here in the city is space themed, which I think is fun. I love space. Time to explore the hotel just a little bit. So first things first, Jefferson 106 is located just off the square in downtown Huntsville. So it's super walkable, super easy to get to restaurants and shops and all the things you need. It's actually a hotel. The lobby was clean. Like I said, the decor is kind of like space themed Art Deco. But it's very well put together in my opinion. They don't have an on-site pool, but they do have a really nice fitness center. The fitness center has the cold towels, you know, some snacks, water stations. They have a ton of different equipments, treadmills, free weights. They also have like an outside area of the fitness center. It's like a little patio or green space. So you can go out there and relax as well, cool off from your workout and just have yourself a little peaceful zen moment. They have 2 food and beverage sites, one of which is the Baker and Able. I would consider this like a bar or a lounge. They do have light bites on the menu, but most of it is going to be, you know, your adult beverages. It is so cute up here. It's like an indoor-outdoor venue. They leave the doors open so you can move freely in between. The patio outside provides a great overview of the city, has tons of seating options, and of course when it's cold, they also have the fires going as well.
Okay, so this is Italy's peach. I'm already biased because Italy is my favorite country in the entire world. It's grown up orange juice. A little peachy. And I love sugar bear.
So I got spring, what is it? Spring spread. Spring spread. So I got the spring. So I got the Spritz of Spring. This is like my ideal cocktail, right? So it has like Prosecco, it's lavender or creme de violet, and then bubbles. So I'm not afraid. And it's phenomenal. 10 out of 10. So the on-site restaurant is called the Revivalist. This is like an Art Deco vintage tavern. Almost, you know, the dark wood floors, the big leather booths. They have a bar area and also like an enclosed patio. So a lot of different seating options. The food is like upscale Southern cuisine. You know, think fancy fried green tomatoes, risottos, things like that. It was a really fun experience, and I loved the little flair they have on all of their dishes and their cocktails. So I got the lavender berry. It's tequila, blueberry lavender syrup, lemon, and grapefruit, which are all my favorite things. So we're gonna take off our garnish here. Oh, honey. It's sweet, not overly sweet. You can still taste a little bit of tequila. That might be a new favorite.
Is it better than your rooftop drink?
I don't know. So here's the thing is, me and lavender, we're like this, okay? I love lavender with all my heart. Smells, taste, all the things. So this one's not like super lavendery, and the one on the rooftop is. So I think I might take the one on the rooftop better.
So I did the Southside Revival. It was actually recommended by the waitress. I asked her what her favorite drink was. It is a lot of cucumber. It is really refreshing. I thought about if you work outside all day, it's the first time that you come inside and like you hit the air conditioner for the first time of the day. That's what this drink makes you feel like.
Okay, so to start off with, we got fried green tomatoes. It's a southern dish, gotta do it right. So it's fried green tomato, pimento cheese, it has bacon and deliciousness all over the top. Dare I say it's jam up. That's phenomenal. The tomato is crispy, the pimento cheese is like perfect consistency. Great little starters that you do.
So I did the steak frites. Big steak girly. My steak may be a little underdone for other people's opinions, but so I like the addition of the chimichurri. It's definitely cooked medium rare, like I want it to be. I would say it's good. It's pretty great. It's not show-stopping. 9 out of 10.
Okay, I got the cauliflower steak. I'm worried about meats for the most part, so I eat vegetarian a lot. So it has some arugula and chimichurri on top as well. Okay, that is delightful. So the cauliflower steak is super, super tender. Literally, you cut it with your fork. Chimichurri has a really good flavor. There's like this sauce in here as well. I give this one probably a 9 out of 10 too.
We decided to end our evening exactly where we started, up at Baker and Abel on the roof, just to get, a different vibe for the evening, and see what the city looked like at night in all her glory. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.